Hi everyone, this is Margaret from Blue Monkey Tea Shop, and tomorrow, as many of you know, we have a special event online as a part of my Tea Saturdays Live. It's going to be chocolate and tea pairing class, and some of you already purchased special kits that include 3 types of chocolate: white, milk, and dark, and also 6 different types of tea to go along and to pair them with. If you didn't purchase the kit, don't worry, you probably have some tea around the house and some chocolates, or you can still pop in. We're going to be open tomorrow, Saturday, from 11 to 5, but we have to close exactly at 5 because I have to get ready for this presentation. Yeah, I hope I see you all tomorrow. And it's actually going to be on the occasion of the Valentine's Day, right, which is happening on Sunday. So as you already know, when I do these videos, I'm going to do now the official part that will go on YouTube, Blue Monkey Tea YouTube channel, which will be available for people who don't know about this event and how the live classes are happening. So here we go. Hello, I'm Margaret from Blue Monkey Tea Shop in Pittsburgh. In this short video, I would like to provide instructions on how to prepare for a virtual live tea and chocolate pairing class, so you can enjoy it better. You will enjoy it anyway. These classes are offered periodically, usually in our series Tea Saturdays Live on Facebook and Instagram that are streaming every Saturday at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can learn more about these classes and other live events on our website. www.bluemonkeytea.com. You can also find links to Facebook and Instagram on our website. So this is tea and chocolate pairing prep video. We will need several types of chocolate. I don't have chocolate with me today, but just so you know, you're going to need white, milk, and dark chocolate. Dark anywhere from 70 to 85%. Okay? And you will break the chocolate into a small, we do have some chocolate. Well, chocolate. So you will actually break them into bite-sized pieces and get them ready. And then you will need several types of tea. And the teas that we're going to be using are jasmine green, genmaicha, milk oolong, Assam, which is a black tea, lapsang souchong, and chestnut tea. Okay? And these teas were included, they are included in tea and chocolate pairing tasting kits that are available on our website. By the way, you can always purchase these sets and do your own do tea and chocolate tea pairing on your own time, because this chocolate and tea pairing video is going to go on our YouTube channel, Blue Monkey Tea YouTube channel. So you can watch this video and many other tea videos on our channel. And when you get a tea kit, when you get the tea and chocolate pairing kit, you also get instructions, and you get a special note, like tea and chocolate pairing note pad sheet, okay, which comes here. But you can use any kind of pad. Okay, it is really good to have your teas prepared ahead of the class. Actually, I totally recommend doing it ahead of time. Well, if you watch this video on YouTube, of course, you can rewind, you can pause, so it might work for you. But if you're going to participate in a live event, you really should have your teas already pre-steeped. Let me go over basic steeping procedure for those of you who are new to loose leaf tea. And generally, for a mug of this size, which is about 12 to 14 ounces, you can use any kind of infuser. I got a large infuser because I like leaves to roam around and open up, have a lot of room to open up. And for a mug of this size, you generally use 2 teaspoons of tea. 1, 2, okay, and put in the mug. And we're going to add some water. Now there's different timings and different water temperature for steeping of the various types of tea. But this is just an example. I'm just showing you basics of tea steeping, loose leaf tea steeping. And we just wait. So it could be anywhere from 2 to 4 minutes, usually, depending on the type of tea. It is good to have a timer, or you can use your phone. But if you're at home, you probably have a timer on your microwave or stove. So this is it. And then once it's done, we're just going to remove that and drink tea or use it for tasting. If you're interested in learning more about tea, and if you're new to tea, I recommend my video on Blue Monkey Tea YouTube channel, Tea 101, Plain and Simple for Beginners. Okay? So, well, this is steeping just to show you how to steep. Let's say 2 minutes passed. Of course, we're going to remove this after steeping, and the tea is ready. It's so easy. Like I said, it's really good to prepare all your teas ahead of time and keep them warm. But before I go over each one of the teas, they are going to be tasted in this presentation. I want to tell you what you're going to need other than teas and chocolates. So you need a kettle or some kind of source of hot water. You need 6 mugs or teapots, or both, whatever you can find at home. Now make sure the mugs are heat proof, like the glass mugs, they have to be heat proof. We're going to need infuser, and I know some of you may have only one. That's why you have to do them in sequence. You know, all those teas have to be brewed separately. You're gonna clean your infuser and use it for several teas. Or if you have few infusers, that tea smells good. If in fact, that's not the tea that we're going to use, but it is called Champagne Tiquanine Oolong. Okay, so then you're of course going to need tablespoon. This is going to be for tasting, maybe slurping tea. Teaspoon will be handy to measure tea when you make tea, like I just did. You're going to need timer, tin foil. I recommend tin foil to keep your tea warm, because mind you, you're going to have 6 teas and you want to keep them warm for at least an hour, and pretty warm. Also, you may want to use a kitchen towel or any towel additionally to cover, or even a blanket, right? So this is gonna keep your teas nice and warm until you're ready to join the presentation. Okay. And you will need notepad and a pen. It is always a good idea to get acquainted with teas that you're going to be tasting, maybe read more about them, but I am also going to cover this in the class, so don't worry. When you're steeping, let's now go over these 6 teas that are going to be used in my presentation. First, jasmine green tea. We're going to steep in 180 degrees water 180 degrees water temperature for only 2 minutes. Okay. Genmaicha. This is the Japanese green tea with brown rice in it. This one also, because it's a green tea, you're going to steep at 180 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 minutes. Milk oolong, 190 degrees, and we're going to steep it for 3 minutes. Assam is a black tea from India, and the recommended temperature is super hot, boiling temperature about 212, and we steep for 4 minutes. Lapsang Souchong, which is a black smoky tea, also 212 and 4 minutes. And chestnut is going to be, it is also black tea, so 212 and 4 minutes. Okay, so you might have a kitchen thermometer. It could be any cooking thermometer if you want to check the temperature of water before steeping. But I also want to show you a very neat, okay, here's the thermometer. I want to show you what I do when I want to cool off my water for green tea. So this is pretty neat. I mean, it's really good to have a kettle with a temperature control. But if you don't, after boiling, I bring the water to boil. I'll pour it out into either another mug or a measuring cup like this, and pretty much this water, you can give it a few more seconds, believe it or not, but this water is going to cool off to a proper temperature of about 180 degrees, and then you just pour it out. Let's say this is your tea, and just pour it in. So this will be nicely cooled down to a temperature of about 180. For oolong, you might want to do it faster because you need temperature to be a little higher. Why am I telling you all this? Because it is very important to extract, to steep your teas for this experimentation in a proper way, because we want them to taste exactly the way they should taste for this pairing. Okay, so right now I would like to just tell you how to watch this class, because I know there's a lot of people who don't know how. And you can watch it on our Facebook page, Blue Monkey Tea Pittsburgh. It's very important that you look up Facebook page Blue Monkey Tea Pittsburgh, because we have a couple different pages, so you want to make sure you're on the right page. It's really good idea to go on our Facebook ahead of time, like even now, and click like, and also you see those 3 dots on the top. It's going to be to the right. Click on follow settings, then notifications, then video, and then choose all notifications. This way you will know every time live streaming comes on our Facebook page, you will know immediately. And you can always change these settings. So if you don't wish to have notifications later, you might want to turn them off. However, for this class, I encourage you to do this as we speak. You can also watch on Instagram, and the Instagram page name is Blue Monkey Tea PGH. PGH is an abbreviation for Pittsburgh, so it's Blue Monkey Tea PGH. And all you have to do is just follow. Well, I hope this video will be helpful for you to prepare for this event or any upcoming, future tea and chocolate pairing classes, either live streaming or, like I said, they're going to be, this class is going to be recorded and it's going to be available on Blue Monkey Tea YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Get ready.